Yeah, go with Daddy. Come on, he's leaving us.
Come on. Look at her, she's so burnt. Thank you. Damn, you scared of him? What the fuck? Go, get your fry, get your fry, get your fry. Oh, that's fucked up.
Me and Mason.
Okay, we attracted too many birds.
Oh my god, that one's fat.
Bro, that was so fun.
I don't know what to say. What do I say? Mace, I haven't been vlogging. Alright, so today is the 4th and we aren't doing anything. We just came too long. I feel so awkward. Ali, say something. Ali. Really? Ali's over here being crazy. Why are you talking to? She's so big. Hello, so today's the 4th. We aren't doing something that big. We just came to Long Beach with Ali. Okay, Mama, don't move the camera. Here, come. And we got McDonald's and we already finished it. Ali ate some fries. And her cheeks are so red, look. She gets red easily like her dad. We're basically just sitting down under the shade. It's a really nice day too. The aquarium's open and I didn't know it was gonna be open. And for the most part, everybody's just out here walking around, just being with their families, on boats, on jet skis. It's like it's crazy how you could do a lot of different things here. Okay, whatever. Alright guys, so we decided to rent a bike. Ali!
Fuck out the way.
Oh my god.
Get the fuck out the way.
Oh shit. Man, break! Oh my god, dude. This is literally so cool. And I barely could reach the pedals. Oh wait, Mace. I think we fucked up.
Why?
Cause this is up. We're so
I told you.
We are still biking around. And we're literally right next to the ocean. Queen Mary's over there. Ali, are you having fun?
Look at the number, please.
Okay, so that is pretty much it for our bike ride. We had fun, but it was such a workout. And now we are going back.
You want it?
Hey, you're spilling liquid. Be careful.
Relax, I know what I'm doing.
look. You're trying to fucking light one, Emily, and there's already one inside.
Emily! Oh! Bug!
This right here. Give me the fucking ticket. Oh! Look at that!
Mason!
I'm fucking done.
Oh! Jojo for Hey guys, so it is a brand new day. Before you start saying anything about this, I got this last week because I fell out of the pool, and it's been like a week, but like my scabs are barely starting to come off, and it's like about to come off right now. But yeah, we got ready. I got Ali ready. Ali, come baby, come. Oh my god, she's gonna cry right now. Oh, never mind. Are you okay? She looks so cute. Come, Ali, mira. Ali, come. She looks so cute. Mama did a good job. Yeah, I did. Heck yeah. Ojitos? Ojito! So this is my outfit of the day because it is super duper hot, and I am just wearing this little top. It's super duper cute, and I love the straps. And then I'm just wearing my jeans and of course my little cute sandals. And then Ali is right here, and she looks so cute, and she's wearing this little cute cherry dress. And then with her hair, can we turn around? With the braids. So we are in the car. Say hi. Say hi, Ali. Hello.
What should look like this?
Like her grandma. Ali, Ali. We ended up going to look at some furniture, and then we ended up eating some bomb food, and now we are at a Citadel just shopping and looking around, and that's pretty much the update for right now. Okay, I look so bad right now, but it is a new day. I feel like I always say that. It is like 11, and here is my crazy child with so much hair. And yeah, usually she looks all cute, looks all put together, has clothes on, looks pretty with her hair done. But this is the Ali no one sees, huh? The crazy one. But yeah, we're gonna get ready, and it is still hot. It is still hot. Oh, are you blowing? But good thing I washed my clothes yesterday, and Ali's clothes. It looks windy though. It does. Mama, don't touch that. But let's see how we end up getting ready, what we end up wearing. We're probably gonna go to Ikea. Ali already ate. Oh baby, but I haven't. Look, the airplane. Say bye, airplane. Bye. And Ali is getting so big. She is understanding more and she's learning more. Really, baby? Yeah? Yeah? It left. Bye-bye. And it's just like... Ba? Ba? I am embracing everything. I am cherishing every little new thing that she's learning. Like, for example, like when she was starting to walk, I enjoyed that time because I knew that she was learning. Like, you know, she was beginning to learn how to walk. She didn't know how to walk yet, but it's just that little process of learning and knowing that she'll eventually learn how to walk. And then she takes her first step, and now she walks everywhere. So, and you know, it's like walking. It's still nice to see her walk, but it's like she fully knows how to walk now. You get me? She doesn't need my help, or she doesn't need me to encourage her to, you know, get off the furniture so she could take little steps. And that's the thing I love about motherhood. It's the little short phases between actually doing something new, if that ever makes sense. But yes, I think I need to start vlogging more with Ali because she walks everywhere. She's starting to run. She has so many teeth. She has all this hair, right? It's just, it looks so ugly. There's literally like something new to look forward to with this little child. We just got ready. I kind of tried this little like ponytail situation with Ali, and then this is her little outfit. Ice cream update on this. There's like literally nothing here, and then I got scratched over here, and my eyelashes look super duper crazy and they're awful. But yeah, I was scared because I thought okay I thought that my eyebrows were gonna come off because it was like right here, right there as well, but they didn't come off, so very happy about that. Ali, okay, come on, all done. Say all done. All done. So we got to Ikea and it's super duper packed, and I hate that I have a stroller because I have to get in the elevator and meet everyone else up, and Ali's right here. Okay, so we're still at Ikea. Ali it's time for her nap. And we have Jojo. Go do a cardio. Jojo. Go, 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 go.
My stomach hurts.
And that's a 7. And yeah, I'm hungry. And Ali looks like she's about to sleep. You're gonna take a nap with her little doggy. Good night. It is super duper hot outside, but we are going to the beach. We packed everything. I got myself ready. I got Ali ready. We got the food, the drinks, everything ready. Now we're all just packing it up and we're gonna go to the beach. What else? It is so humid over here. Everyone's sweating. Hi, baby. Hi, little chubby girl. Say hi. Ojitos? Hi! Again? Ojitos? Oh, bye, Avion. Say bye-bye. We just made it to the parking lot. Now we are just waiting for Mason to get here. He went to stop by to get some ice for the cooler. We made it, but it's super duper packed. Everybody's here. ¿Quieres ir a sentarte ya con tía? Sit her down over there. On the mat. The shade right there. Dile bye.
Bye.
A ver, mamá. Bye, Ali. Take her out. You should have put a hat on. What the fuck, Jojo?
Showing all the way down. Right? Yeah, because there's nowhere Jojo is. Alright, get out. Get out.
Wait, hold on, let me hold the video.
I'm dead right here. Hey, no, that's cheating. Ew. At the graveyard.
We just got home and we just showered. Update, so we just changed and we legit got burned, right? We got burned? But Ali has so much fun. Yeah, you did. Hey! Be nice to mama. And look, let's show. What the? Show me your hair. Look how long it is. And she's only one. Holy crap.